Understanding Wrack and Ruin, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, wrack and ruin. It's a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it effectively. Wrack and ruin is a phrase that means complete destruction or decay. The word wrack is an old term that refers to the damage or destruction of something, while ruin means a state of decay or disrepair. When put together, they emphasize the idea of something being completely destroyed or falling apart. This phrase has its roots in Old English. The term wrack comes from the Middle English word rack, which means something wrecked, and has the same root as wreck. Ruin comes from the Latin word ruina, meaning a collapse. Over time, these two words combine to create a powerful expression depicting total devastation. 1. In literature and media, often used to describe scenes of destruction or after a disaster. Example, after the storm, the city lay in wrack and ruin. 2. In everyday language, to emphasize the severe damage or deterioration of something. Example, neglecting the old house for years led it to wrack and ruin. A common mistake is confusing rack with rack. While rack has several meanings, including a framework or a form of torture, it's not interchangeable with rack in this phrase. Remember, it's wrack and ruin, not rack and ruin. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase wrack and ruin and how you can use it in your English conversations and writings. Remember, it's all about context and practice. So, keep exploring and using new phrases in your language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.